back to my channel. Today is another video of sewing and DIYs. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sew a simple pair of pants from an old maternity dress. Let's start sewing. So this is the old maternity dress that I will use. And here, as you can see, I cut already the upper part, and the lower part I will use to make the pant. And here, I traced the lines where I will cut the fabric to make the back and front of the pant. And this is how it looks like after cutting. Now I will sew it first front facing right side together, and then back facing right side together as well. I didn't do zigzag stitch on the raw edges before sewing, so now I am doing. This is how it looks like after sewing the front and back of the pant. Now I will sew the crotch side of the pants from top to bottom. And before sewing it, I'm doing zigzag stitch on the raw edges first. And it is almost done. Now I will just do a simple hem on the waist and on the lower part of the pant. So for the waist, I will just make 2 hem lines with a gap just enough for the elastic to fit in. So I will be using this elastic as I don't have already the regular one. And I will use the safety pin to insert the elastic on the waist. After inserting the elastic, I hem again the open gap to close. And for the leg of the pants, I just folded it twice inside and hem. It is done, and this is the final look.